Want to know how to install the TubeBuddy extension on your Chrome? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy website, or you can just simply head towards the web store directly. So you can just simply head towards the Chrome web store. It should be right here. And now once you have clicked that, you should be under the extension tab. Now on top, you should be seeing this source extension. Just simply type in TubeBuddy right here. Now here you can see it shows TubeBuddy for YouTube. So you can just simply select that, and here you should be seeing add to Chrome right here. Just simply select that. And now once you have selected add to Chrome, just simply select add extension. And now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, our extension should be added. Now as you can see on the top right side, it's downloading as well. Now after a while, it should be added automatically, and you can just simply use it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.